Hello everyone, I'm Cobble, and today I'm doing something a little different. I am going to show you how to change wiper blades and why and when you want to change wiper blades. So of course, why, it's a safety thing, especially when your window's, damp like it is right now. This is a 2011 Chrysler 200. It is my wife's car. It takes a 24 on the driver's side and a 22 on the passenger side. And the whole reason it's time to change the wiper blades is because it's streaky. Let me go ahead and show that. So, it's very hard to see inside. It actually looks fine on the inside here as we do it. I'm gonna try to pick up that there are streaks. It is not wanting to pick up that there are streaks. Usually you change them when it's streaking. Looking at the mechanism for it, it is a latch style mechanism. If you can probably just barely see right here. We'll lift it up, make sure it doesn't slam down. If you're, I recommend making sure you have your new one out before you pull it up, so that way if in case it slams down with a wiper blade still on it. Ask me how I know that. Not fun is how I know that. Here we go. This is probably about the best view I can get. We'll swing it up like that. Then the latch right here is visible. I want to try to make sure you all can see that. Press down the latch and should push. Sometimes it can be a pain, but there you see. It releases. And if you want to make sure, you can see how this new wiper blade is nice and... The new wiper blade is nice and straight. No gorges. And this one, it is a little wobbly. It probably still had some life left, but it started to streak, so better safe than sorry, especially with it being rainy season here where we live. So new one, you just slide up onto that like that and make sure it doesn't come off. It is good. And then right onto there. Now you can use your own flavor of auto parts store to get it. I know some people don't want to learn, and that's understandable. Because, why learn when you can have the auto parts store do it for you? So we're here at my 1999 Chevy Silverado. It uses the same style. It's a little clip on the back. You fold it up, push it in somehow. It's a little hard for me to do because I'm not able to reach it, but it's the same style mechanism. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching this. I know not everyone actually knows how to do this. I figure it's a good thing to know, sort of like changing your oil, changing your tires, changing your brakes. You can use your own flavor of auto parts store: Walmart, O'Reilly's, AutoZone. Those are the three big ones. Well, Walmart's not really a auto parts store. Rock Auto, Amazon, just anywhere you can get, wiper blades. Make sure that they're the correct fit for your car. And yeah, well, I know you can go to like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and they'll change your wiper blades for you. For me, I like the satisfaction of doing it myself. I'm sure there are a whole lot of other people that like the satisfaction of doing it themselves. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope this was actually a very helpful video. Have a good day. Looking at the mechanism for... My thing slid off.